smoke is no longer visible while the engines are in afterburner.
Blue Angels, Stunfun 2025.
And pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity. The opposing knife edge pass.
It's about that time.
Yeah, what you know about going out? Head west, FedEx, GB, throw it in the head.
The 2 solo pilots will next demonstrate the... Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing inverted to inverted roll.
Crazy pass.
Let's go.
It's a different thing.
The Fortus. He'll execute a 7.5 G. flight, the Blue Angel Double Farvel. Miles per hour. Having rolled their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation, watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center. Closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Have your attention. You have witnessed firsthand the ability of a tactical aircraft at high speed to sneak into a target area virtually undetected. Lieutenant O. I'm chasing paradise with you. To the left, Commander Brian calls for another formation. Hesitation roll.
Make this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys, that's like you get
configuration. They'll pass before you, virtually standing Blue Angels 5 and 6 on their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide the slow speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the section High Alpha Pass. Whether it be a tactical jet, a propeller-driven aircraft, or a helicopter, each requires skill, which the naval The demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women standing before you in blue uniforms are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each